With COVID-19 infecting more than 5.5 million and killing 346,326 people across the world, according to Johns Hopkins University tracker, the U.S. is planning a massive testing effort, involving more than 100,000 volunteers and half a dozen of the most promising vaccine candidates, to deliver a safe and effective jab by the end of 2020, Reuters reported. For COVID-19, there are over 100 vaccines being developed across the world now, some from scratch, some from existing molecules developed for other diseases. Most of the experimental vaccines in progress aim to train the immune system to recognize the spike protein that studs the coronavirus outer surface, priming the body to react if it was exposed to the real virus. There are at least 10 vaccines in human trials, according to the World Health Organization, WHO. U.S. biotechnology company Novavax has become the latest to announce that it has started human trials of its NVX-CoV-2373 vaccine for COVID-19 in Australia, AP reported. Novavax will inject 131 volunteers in the first phase of the trial, the company's research chief Dr. Gregory Glenn said. The trial began with 6 volunteers being injected with the potential vaccine, in Melbourne on Tuesday, said Paul Griffin, infectious disease expert, with Australian collaborator Nucleus Network. The results of the first phase of clinical trials in Melbourne and Brisbane are expected to be known in July, following which thousands of candidates in several countries would then become involved in a second phase. Animal testing suggested the recombinant vaccine is effective in low doses. Novavax is planning to manufacture at least 100 million doses this year and 1.5 billion in 2021. Novavax uses genetic engineering to grow harmless copies of the coronavirus spike protein, in giant vats of insect cells in a laboratory. Scientists extracted and purified the protein, and packaged it into virus-sized nanoparticles. Meanwhile, as part of its Operation Warp Speed, the U.S. plans a massive testing effort, involving more than 100,000 volunteers and 14 vaccine candidates, Reuters reported. The project will compress what is typically 10 years of vaccine development and testing into a matter of months. Trials of the experimental vaccine, using monkeys, started last week after researchers successfully conducted trials on mice. DNA vaccines are a type of vaccine that use genetic material from pathogens to produce antibodies by inducing an immune system response. While such a vaccine has yet to be approved for human use, the technology has been touted by experts as safe and one that can ease large-scale manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.